Hey guys, this is Technolog here, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at Stormduino. So if you don't know what Stormduino is, it's pretty much an Arduino Uno clone that was made using KiCad. And it was also done in collaboration with Cybersyn.mu, which are a group of open source Linux developers based in Mauritius. And yeah, they also done like a lot of contributions to the ITF and recently to the W3C for protocols like HTTP3 and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm not going to really go into detail these guys because this video is about Stormduino, not the ITF or Cyberstorm. So yeah. Okay, so before getting to this revision, which works flawlessly, I had to go through some really crappy boards, like this one. So this one was just like a not functioning prototype. There used to be chips on here. So yeah, and this used a mini USB port. What sucks about this one today is that it's really hard to get a good cable that works with this. So in the end, I didn't find the issue. I didn't fix it because the white solar mask was just a real pain in the ass to actually reverse engineer. So not reverse engineer, I mean like troubleshooting. So yeah. So I just the design, made a new one, and you know, this one actually worked. Only problem being the MOSFET footprint here was inverted, so I just had to add some jumper wires, and that fixed the issue. So this one, version 2.2, this one is version 2, version 2.1 worked, the MOSFET issue was fixed, but the through-hole capacitors were an issue because I couldn't plug any shields. And if you were some random guy on the internet that found my design, and you'd be like, oh, this has like through-hole capacitors, I can't really do much, can't even plug in a shield, or can't use it with my new 3D printer, then that just sucked. So that really bugged me, and I got another revision made, revision 2.2, with like surface mount capacitors. And yeah, that actually made the assembly process a lot easier because then it just go through one refill process where the capacitors are ready on here instead of having another process to solder these. And yeah, and I didn't just get a Stormduino 2.2 revision with the black solder mask. I also have one with the yellow solder mask. I haven't assembled these yet, so I'll probably do that when I get the time. So yeah, another thing I forgot to mention was that this has some really cool PCB artwork, like this really modern looking dodo, because this was also designed in Mauritius. I think I said that, I'm not sure. So yeah, the black one kind of looks nice, but the yellow one, it's a lot easier to look at the tracks. The white one's almost impossible unless you have a proper backlight. So really, like Stormduino, like the only difference being from like a cheap like Uno clone is that it uses a genuine Atmega 328P chip, so you're not going to get like some kind of you know, weird like knockoff chip. I'm not selling these at the moment. I'm just saying this has a genuine Atmega 328P chip. This one here, you don't know where it came from, so just don't rely on it for anything special. And this also has a Type-C port, which it's not USB 3. It doesn't have any of the newest Type-C features, so it's just USB 2, except different kind of port. It also has this really clicky switch here. Yeah. So yeah, also the DC jack. Yeah, that's just the same thing pretty much. So I'm gonna show you like a demonstration reprogramming this board just to show you it actually works. Okay, so here's my computer and here's Stormduino. So I'm just gonna plug it in and yeah. So I'm just gonna upload a simple script on it that will just blink an LED. There's already one here, except this makes the LED blink a lot faster. So I'm just using the Arduino IDE for this because the Mega 328P chip here actually uses the Arduino Uno bootloader. You can actually use something like OptiBoot, but I just decided to go with the regular Arduino Uno bootloader. So hold on, let me just get a good camera angle. Right. Okay, so you just select Arduino Uno. I'm actually planning to have like a Stormduino board library, so then it'd just be a lot easier for you guys. And yeah, select the COM port or serial port. If you're using Windows, it'd be COM port, but for Linux, it's a serial port, like that thing you saw there. So yeah, let me just program it. Let's upload it. So yep. There you go. The LED is blinking a lot slower. Now, if I want to make this blink a lot faster, I can do that. Let's see what happens if I bring this down to 10. Will it bring this down to 10? Will it actually blink, or will it blink so fast that we won't even notice it's blinking? Like, you can kind of see it's blinking really, really fast. But yeah, let me just add another 0. Just make it blink kind of faster. Actually, no, let me just put this to 50 instead. Okay. Let's program it. There you go. And there you go. So as you can see, Stormduino works. It works with your Arduino IDE or whatever can support a regular Arduino Uno board. This will work. So, yep. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and visit my blog. And if you could like donate to my Ko-fi page. The link's in the description below. That actually helped me fund a lot more projects. So yeah. Okay guys, peace out.